Namaste and welcome to TradeLele Lab. Before we start, this video is for education purposes only. Nothing here is a buy or sell recommendation or investment advice. Markets carry risk. Please do your own research and consult a registered advisor before investing. Today I will show you the mean reversion long signals page, step by step, clicking through everything. So, what is this page? It is a live scanner for one specific strategy, buying strong futures and options stocks that have been beaten down, right when they start to bounce back. In simple words, we don't chase stocks making new highs here, we look for quality stocks that are washed out and just beginning to turn up. Importantly, it only gives signals, it does not place orders. You place the trade yourself. Now the most important part, what conditions must a stock meet to appear here? There are 4 rules, and all 4 must be true. 1. The stock is near its 52-week low, within 3%, so it is truly washed out. 2. It is oversold, with our SI at 40 or below. 3. It is turning up, it closed green today, so we are catching the bounce, not a falling knife. And 4. It is liquid, at least 5 crore rupees of daily turnover, so you can trade it without slippage. Only when all 4 line up does a signal fire. Let me open the built-in help, so you can read all of this anytime. I click how it works. You can see it explains everything clearly, what the strategy is, the 4 entry rules we just discussed, what every column means, how the alerts work, and how to actually trade it. Let me scroll through it slowly so you can follow along. Now, how are the returns measured? When a signal fires, the scanner records the buy price, that is your reference entry. It then sets a target a few percent above and a stop a few percent below. The return percent column shows the live percentage move from that buy price, updating every 30 seconds during market hours. Green means the trade is in profit, red means it is in loss. So you always see, honestly, how each signal is doing from where it was suggested. This brings us to the profit ratio, or profit factor. Profit factor is simply the total money won divided by the total money lost across all trades. A value above 1 means the strategy makes money overall. For this strategy, the profit factor is about 1.3, with a win rate near 52%. Let me be very honest with you, this is a real but modest edge. Around 40% of signals hit the stop loss. It is not a magic money machine, your risk management matters more than any single signal. And here is the result that makes this strategy special. We backtested it over 4 years, from 2023 to 2026, and it was profitable in every single year, including the current correction. That is rare. Most strategies work only in a bull market. This one held up in choppy and falling markets too, which is exactly when you need an edge the most. But remember, past results do not guarantee future returns. Finally, the live signals themselves. The open signals table shows setups that are currently active, with the buy price, target, stop, latest price and live return. Below it, the close table shows how past signals finished, whether they hit target or stop. You can sort any column just by clicking its header. And every entry and exit is also sent to your Telegram and Discord automatically. So that is the mean reversion long signals page, a disciplined, all-weather, long-only strategy with an honest, backtested edge. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the TradeLele Lab channel. We post daily updated stock signals every market day. Once again, this is for education only, not a recommendation. Thank you for watching and happy learning.